If you are getting no response whatsoever on your Tyranis controller when you go to fly liftoff, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Drone Maverick, so let's get right into it. The problem is very simple. Your USB ports are actually communicating in a specific language that needs to be changed over. Put it simply, your FrSKY speaks English, your computer speaks French, and it needs to be changed over so that English speaks to English. In order to do that, you need a program called Zadig. I'm not sponsored by Zadig and I don't have any affiliate links, so use it at your own discretion. Take your USB cable, plug it into the back of your FrSKY remote. It will then ask you, is this USB being used for a joystick? You will click enter. Then it says right there, USB device is not being recognized. It's fine. Next, go to the options and select all devices. Select the drop down menu, go to unknown device, request failed. And then what you want to do is you want to install this Win USB. See how it says none? What you want to do is go ahead and hit install driver. This may take several minutes. See how it says FrSKY Tyranis joystick? This is what it should say. Now if Zadig just comes up with an error message where they say, hey, we can't do anything about it, here's what else you can do. You want to go into your file explorer, go to this PC, right click, manage, and then you want to go to device manager. Now when you get into the device manager, you go over to the COM ports and then you'll see this little error message right here where it says FrSKY Tyranis joystick COM. Mine says COM4, yours will probably say a different one. You want to right click and then update the driver because the driver is saying, hey, I speak a different language and I don't know how to parler l'anglais or whatever, how do you say that? So you can search automatically for updated software. I have found that to be an issue. It just never really works for me. So what you want to do is you want to browse my computer for the driver software, let me pick, and then you want to go ahead and then select USB input device and then hit next. Okay, now set that up, changed it. Now what you can do, you go back to Zadig and then you'll see FrSKY Tyranis, and then you'll see this HID USB 10, and you can see right here as we move our joysticks, they are now working on the computer screen and we can now play on the simulator and practice flying. Alright guys, I make these videos for you, so do me a big favor and drop the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave comments below if you found that this solved your problem. Be sure to hit me up on Instagram or just continue to leave comments below if you want to reach out to me. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Drone Maverick, and I'll see you on the next video.